Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Today we have to start chapter number 6, acids, alkalis and bases and salts. Today we have to learn the topic acid from this up to this, and we have to mark the answer of the questions in the exercise related to this topic. Okay, question number 1. Part 1. Define an acid. The answer will start from this line. Acids can be defined as the compounds which produce hydrogen ions in their aqueous solutions. Citrus acids have sour taste due to the citrus fruits have sour taste due to citrus acid. Clear? Question number 2. Name 3 mineral acids. The answer will start from this table. Hydrochloric acid formula HCl, nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, phosphoric acid H3PO4. Here these are 4 mineral acids. You can learn about any three. Students, next questions, short question related to this topic is how many compounds are known to scientists. The answer will start from this line. More than 3 million compounds are known to the scientists. It is practically impossible for everyone to learn about each of these compounds. Therefore, all these compounds are divided into different groups to make their study easier. Clear? What does the word acidus mean? The answer will start from this line. The word acidus is derived from the word acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, means sour. In chemistry, the term acid has been used to name a group of compounds that have sour taste. The next short question is, what is the function of hydrochloric acid in stomach? The answer will start from this line. Hydrochloric acid is an important mineral acid. It is found in gastric juice of the stomach. It acts as an antiseptic and is helpful in digestion of protein. Next question is, what are different sources of acids? The answer will start from this line. Generally, acids are obtained from 2 different sources up to this line. Next, name some important acids obtained from animals and plants. The answer include this table starting from this to this. Formic acid, ant sting, acetic acid, vinegar, citric acid, fats, up to this. And name some important mineral acids and their formulas. The answer include this table from hydrochloric acid HCl to phosphoric